Have you ever booked an Oceanview room at a resort and only got that sliver of blue? At Calabash Cove Resort, Oceanview isn't a rumor, it's a promise. Well, this is a paid partnership with Calabash Cove Resort and Spa in St. Lucia. We're going to show you a water's edge cottage. This is going to blow your mind. It's fantastic. All right, so when you come in, there's a living space. You can see there's places to sit, big screen television, and then they have a bar here. You can see there's all kinds of alcohol included. And then down here, well, we got a fridge. And again, we've got soft drinks, we've got beer, everything you'd need. And then we come into the bedroom. There's a 4-poster bed here with curtains around it to keep out the bugs. Don't need them really. Actually, they seem like they're only for show because it's absolutely beautiful. You can see lots of places to keep your clothes and a jacuzzi tub. A workstation right here, and I should note there is a safe. The outlets. They provide Type A and B plugs for North American travelers and Type G plugs for the UK. So whether you're coming from Canada, the US, or the UK, you won't need an adapter in your room. And then we have 2 sinks. We have the water closet in there. And then, this is kind of going to blow your mind. This is the shower. Rainhead shower. And we're looking right outside. There's the blue sky. And there's the door. You can walk right outside if you like. But it's fantastic. You want to come in here with some, you're toweling off, you've got sunscreen on you, you can just wash it right off right here and come in. So what a beautiful little bedroom. Again, we'll come back to the sitting area. But this is what's really going to blow your mind. The outside. And at this water's edge cottage, oh my God, here's the view. You got a day bed right here. Place to eat. You have a morning coffee, some breakfast from my room service out here. On our balcony, amazing food, fantastic view. And then in the heat of the day, relaxed in your infinity pool, looking right out on the ocean. It doesn't get any better than this. Calabash Cove Resort and Spa. I mean, wow. Wow's the best word for it. Simply amazing. Check it out. That room was spectacular. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it that thumbs up. It really helps us out. Hit that subscribe if you can. And there's a new hype thing. Hit that hype button. It really helps us rank and sends this video out to more people. So we really appreciate it. We got a whole string of St. Lucian videos from Calabash Cove Resort. Check out the next one. Should be on the screen right now. All right, until next time, happy travels.